In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a resume on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Crafting a solid resume is an essential step in your job search, and Indeed offers a user-friendly tool to help you create one that stands out to potential employers. First things first, you'll need to head over to the Indeed website. If you don't already have an account, that's okay. We're going to walk through the process together. You'll notice an option for Sign In at the top right corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, look for the Sign Up option. Go ahead and click that. You can either sign up using your email account or connect with Facebook or Google. Whichever method you prefer, just follow the instructions to create your account. Once you're signed in, you'll see a dashboard that has a lot of different options available. Look for the Resume section. It's often highlighted and easy to find. Click on it, and you'll arrive at the Resume Builder. This is where the magic happens. Now, you'll be prompted to enter information about yourself. First up is your name. Enter your full name as you would like it to appear on your resume. Below that, you should add your contact information. This typically includes your phone number and email address. If you feel comfortable, you can also include a link to your LinkedIn profile or your personal website if you have one. Just remember, these details should be professional as they will be visible to employers. Next, we'll move on to your work experience. Click on the section labeled Work Experience. Here, you'll want to start listing your previous jobs, beginning with your most recent position. For each job, provide the job title, the name of the company, and the location. Along with that, include the dates you worked there. Employers definitely want to see when you were employed and for how long. Now, don't just list your responsibilities. Think about the impact you had in your role. Use bullet points to highlight your achievements, focusing on what you accomplished rather than just what you did. This could include projects you worked on, positive outcomes you achieved, or skills you honed during your time in that position. When using bullet points, try to start each one with strong action verbs and keep your descriptions concise but detailed enough to showcase your expertise. After you complete the work experience section, it's time to move on to education. Similar to the work experience section, you will need to list your degrees and relevant educational experiences. Include the degree obtained, the institution's name, and the dates you attended. If you have any honors or special awards, be sure to mention them here as well. Once you've filled in the work and education sections, let's dive into skills. This section is critical as it helps employers see what you bring to the table quickly. Include a mix of hard skills, which are technical abilities related to the job, and soft skills, which are personal attributes that help you interact positively with others. Make sure these skills are relevant to the jobs you are applying for, as this will help your resume be more targeted. Finally, it's time to review your resume. Take a moment to look over everything you've added. Make sure there are no typos or grammatical errors, as these can affect how you're perceived by potential employers. You want to present yourself as detailed and professional. Once you're happy with your resume, don't forget to save it. Indeed offers options to download your resume in multiple formats, which is a handy feature for applying to jobs outside of the Indeed platform. Congrats, you've just built a resume on Indeed. It's a crucial tool for your job search, and now you know how to make one that stands out. Best of luck in your job hunt. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please consider subscribing and liking it.